What we have here is our P-1000 large truck tire demounter. I'll show you a few features of the tool before we actually see it in action. What you'll notice here on the prying foot is that we have these special contours. Those contours allow us to get both beads. First we can get in, wedge in there and take the first bead off, and then this contour and its length allows us to reach down and also grab the second bead with one single tool. We look here at the back side, what we see is these pivot hooks. What these do is they allow us to grab the rim, and we have a secure place from which to pry. Here that works on this bearing pivot here. And then if you look at the heel, we have a plastic protector, so it makes sure that ensures that you don't ever have metal to metal contact with the rim. As we look at the handle, we see that we have a slight bend here. What that does is it gives us a little bit of more of aggressive bite as we're prying the tool over, so it ensures that we pry that tire free of the rim. And then if you come up here, you see up high this larger bend here at the top. What that does is as we're bringing the tool over this way, it gives us a little bit more of a mechanical advantage. And so we'll see this action, the Pneu-Tek by Roadrunner Products. We'll see this in action in just a moment. What we have here is our Pneu-Tek tire iron. This is for large truck tires, and this is a two-sided tool. The first side of the tool is for mounting the first bead, and this allows us to reach in and get a grip on that first rim and pry over the first bead and put that on. On the second side of the tool, we have this unique contour here for putting on the second bead. And you'll notice that we have this contour here that acts as a stop on the top side. A lot of tire irons on the market have a bump or a knob here on the bottom side, but you can overfeed them still, and then that knob and everything, the entire iron gets stuck in there. That's impossible to overfeed the tool because we have the stop on the top side. So we'll see this large truck tire mounter in action in just a few moments. Before we start the mounting demounting procedure, I thought what we'd do is take a moment and show you the importance of good lubrication. There are a number of lubricants on the market. There's concentrated forms of tire soap that many are familiar with. That can be mixed down or diluted into a liquid form that can be applied by Schwab, or in this case we have it in a spray bomb that you can get at a lawn and garden store. But good lubrication is the key to any mounting or demounting procedure. And so typically one would choose probably the liquid when you're demounting the tire. It's usually been on the rim for a little while. It comes off a little easier, and the liquid allows it the lubricant to easily flow between the rim and the tire bead. Whereas if you're mounting a tire, especially if it's a new tire, we really recommend the paste is going to be a lot tighter to the rim, and the paste keeps its viscosity or its lubricity quite a bit longer. And so, as I said, really good lubrication is the key to any mounting, demounting procedure. We cannot emphasize that enough.